Good morning, students. Let's start our next video of first chapter, external hardware devices of 7th class. Now the topic is output devices. As in the last video we have seen the input devices which are used to give input for a computer so that it can be processed and our output can be seen. Now these are the output devices from which we will check our output. Now the first one is monitor. A monitor is known as a visual display unit. Visual display unit means we can see the output on the screen. We can check the output on the screen. The output is known as soft copy. Soft copy, as we are seeing the output on the screen, which when computer is turned off, the output will be not be seen on the screen. Only till the computer is switched on, the output is present on the screen. Therefore, it is known as the soft copy. Example of monitor are CRT, that is cathode ray tube, and the LCD. Nowadays, mostly we found the LCD as a monitor for our personal computer. Now the second one is the speakers. Speakers provide us output in the form of voice signal. Voice signal can be taken as the output from the speaker. We use to listen music or voice by the use of speakers. The next one is printer. By the use of monitor, we were taking the soft copy of the output. By the use of printer, we get the output as a hard copy. Hard copy means we have taken the output on a paper. Means we don't require the computer to be switched on. Whether the computer is switched on or off, the output will be available to us always. So it is known as the hard copy, which is taken out from the printer. Example of printers are laser printer and inkjet printer. Laser printers are faster than inkjet printers. Nowadays, mostly find laser printers. Then the next one is plotter. Plotter is bigger than printer. It works in the same way as the printer works, but the size of plotter is bigger than a printer. It is also known as a graph printer. The output is taken on a big or large paper. That is a graph paper. So it is also called a graph plotter. Now the next one is projector. Projector displays the output at a projected screen. Means we are placing a projector somewhere, and on the wall or any other hanging screen projecting the output. So output is taken and at the projected screen. This is the working of projector. In this way, we can find out the output in the different ways, through the monitor, through the speaker, through the printer, plotter and the projector. Now let's start our next topic, that is storage devices. Devices which are used to store data are known as storage devices. CD, that is compact disc. Compact disc is divided into three types, that is CD-ROM, CD-R and CD-RW. Now CD-ROM stands for compact disc read only memory. As the name defines, read only memory means we can only read the data present on the compact disc. We cannot write or erase the data which is present on the CD-ROM. Talking about the CDR, CDR means we can write the data on the CD in one time, only once on the CD. Means it is a writable CD on which we can write the data and after that we can read the data. Now the third one is CD-RW. RW means read and write. Read and write. We can read the data and write the data. We can also erase the data and again we can write the data on the CD. This is called rewritable CD. Now the storage capacity of this CD is 700 MB. The storage capacity is 700 MB. When we talk about DVD, that is digital versatile disc, we work in the same way on DVD as we work on CD. The main difference is the storage capacity of DVD is much higher than the CD. The storage capacity of DVD is 4.7 GB and the storage capacity of CD is 700 MB. This is the main difference between DVD and CD. Talking about the pen drive is portable. Portable are also CD and DVD are also portable. In the similar way, pen drive is also a portable hard disk. Storage is more than 32 GB. Now the pen drive, in pen drive we can store data more than 32 GB, which is much higher than a CD or DVD. Now next one is, this is also known as, pen drive is also known as flash drive. Blu-ray disc. Blu-ray disc is same as a CD or a DVD. The main difference is it can store data up to 50 GB. In case of CD, the storage capacity is 700 MB. In case of DVD, the storage capacity is 4.7 GB. And in case of Blu-ray disc, the storage capacity is 50 GB. It can store a high definition video as they are larger in size and resolution of the video is much higher. Therefore, possible in case of CD and DVD. So these were the storage devices which are used to store data in our computer. Take a quick recap of this first chapter, that is external hardware devices. Now there are some input devices and some are output devices. In between it is a system cabinet. Now here input devices such as keyboard, mouse, touchpad, microphone, and output devices, video, printer, speaker. All are connected with the CPU, which take the input and provide the output at the other end. In this way, the computer works. When we talk about the mouse, we are using a scroll button, left click, right click, so that it displays the cursor on a monitor, and where we want to place the input, we can place the input the screen. So this mouse is connected through CPU to the monitor screen. In the similar way, keyboard, we are giving the input by pressing the keys on the keyboard, and the signals are released to the CPU, and again at the monitor we can see the output. Similarly, touchpad is used, and microphone. In case of microphone, we are placing voice signal as an input. We are giving voice signal as an input, which is processed by CPU, and at the output through the speakers we can get the voice signal through the speakers. So in this way, all the input and output devices which are connected to the CPU helps us to provide the input to the computer and get the output to the computer. So this was all about the first chapter. Now let's start the exercises of this first chapter. Starting with the first question, that is MCQ, multiple choice question. First question is, which of the following can store the largest amount of data than others? First option is pen drive, CD, and third one is DVD. First, pen drive. Pen drive stores the data more than 32 GB. CD stores the data up to 700 MB, and DVD stores the data up to 4.7 GB. So therefore, largest amount of data can be stored in pen drive. First option is correct. Now the second is, which of the following refers to the process of pressing the keys of the keyboard? Pressing of key. We provide the input by pressing the keys of the keyboard to the computer. So this process is known as typing. This process is known as typing. Third one, where are the pictures saved in the digital camera? We know that to store the data we require a memory unit. Memory is required to store a data. So in case of digital camera, we are using a memory chip. We are using a memory chip to store data. Fourth one, which of the following enables you to create a drawing on a computer by hand? We can draw a drawing, create a drawing on a computer by using a graphics tablet. Now the fifth one is, what is the term used to refer a printed paper? Printed paper means a hard copy. A hard copy which is taken out of the printer. It is a printed output. It is known as printout. Now sixth one, which of the following is an output device? Printer, webcam, microphone. Microphone is an input device by which we provide a voice signal to the computer. To the webcam also, we are providing the input to get the output on the screen. Now the printer is the output device which is used to take the hard copy. So output device is printer. Seventh one, which device will you use to input voice or music into the computer? This is microphone. Through microphone we provide a voice signal to the computer. Now fill in the blanks. First one, dash is a small portable device used to store a huge amount of data. Dash is a storage device which is used, small portable device which is used to store huge data. Pen drive. Pen drive can store a data up to 32 GB. A dash is bigger than printer. So we are talking about the similar object which is same as a printer, but it is bigger than a printer. So it will be plotter. Plotter is much bigger than a printer which can print a large printout. It is also known as graph plotter. Now the third one. A dash is used to input voice, music or other sound into the computer. As we know that a microphone is used to provide voice, music as an input to the computer. Now a scanner works like a photocopy machine. Which scanner works like a photocopy machine? Flat bed scanner. Output of the monitor is called as soft copy. We are getting the output on a computer screen which is known as soft copy. As soon as the computer is switched off, the output will not be displayed on the screen. Dash memory is also called external memory. Now internal memory is a cache memory. External memory is called secondary memory. Secondary memory like pen drive, CD, DVD, etc. Now true or false? A pen drive can store less amount of data than a CD. False. We know that pen drive can store more than 32 GB and CD can store only 700 MB. Therefore, pen drive is able to store much more data than a CD. Therefore, first one is false. Second, a mouse usually has two buttons and a scroll wheel. A mouse usually has two buttons and a scroll wheel. True. A mouse of this type has two buttons, right click and left, and a scroll button. A plotter is smaller than a printer. Plotter is bigger than a printer. Therefore, it is false. Third one is false. Fourth one, the monitor is an example of an input device. The monitor gives the output. Therefore, it is a output device. Fourth one is false. CD and DVDs are output devices. CD and DVD are external storage devices. Therefore, it is false. Now match the following. First one, DVD. DVD can store 4.7 GB data. DVD can store 4.7 GB data. Therefore, first is related to B. Second one, projector. Projector is used to display the output on a larger screen. As projector we are using to display our output on a larger screen. Plotter. Plotter is used for printing maps and posters like a printer, but they are bigger than size of printer. Blu-ray disc. Blu-ray disc can store high definition video as the storage capacity is up to 50 GB. Now the speakers. The speakers are used to listen to music or other sounds. So this is all about the exercises of this first chapter. Thank you.